Gold stayed bullish for the day, stayed above 1985-87 zone, and has achieved, as we discussed in our Asia and Europe session update, that beyond 85-87 zone we can look forward to 1991 levels, and in fact it has gone towards 93.6 before retracing now. At the same time, oil too has traded bearish. It has failed to break past 85.5. It has retraced now, and it has breached the critical support levels at 83.884. We have discussed in our update today that 84.2 we can expect a sell, and precisely it has achieved 83.5. So what to expect now from US session from gold and crude oil? How to profit? What should be our strategy? We will see with the help of charts. And before the US session, we have critical data coming in from US, that is a quarterly GDP data along with the PC price data. These two indicators will define the direction for, definitely will bring volatility in the gold prices. At the same time, 30 minutes before the data from US, there is a ECB interest rate decision. It might also bring a little volatility, hence trade with caution. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. Now look at gold here on the hourly charts. You will find it has achieved the highs. It is seeing the highs at the top of the channel, and it is getting support here. So once it stays below 1985, and specifically I will look forward to a drop below 1983. Below 1983 is where slight bearishness will be seen, where one can look forward to 1978, and then below that 1976-74 zone. Yes, that is a support zone, which if gold breaches, we can say that prices have turned bearish, else it can possibly bounce back again. So right now it is getting the support here at 1986 zone, but I will wait for it to break below 1983 in order to confirm the bearish reversal. If you look at the moving averages have crossed over here, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness on the hourly charts. The stochastic has seen a high, now trying to trade with a bearish bias looking downwards. The MACD, now see the drop here, the retracement, and now trying to cross over. If this candle stays red, possibly we can see more bearishness coming ahead looking downside. RSI is also come out of, you can see it has touched the overbought zone and now looking downwards. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now look at 2-hour chart, see 86 levels giving it a support, the bottom of this channel here. And I will wait for it to specifically drop below 1983. Below that only further bearishness is going to prevail. Yes, the prices were little divergent from the moving average, and that is why we can see it converging here. There is a probability that it can converge towards the zone 1980-1978 before reversing. There is a probability that these levels might get achieved here. But at the same time, one must not forget what has happened here. See, it is respecting, it is consolidating. It has to come out of this zone, specifically below 1983, in order to confirm further bearishness. Also, if you look at moving averages are now looking upwards. The stochastic has dropped, it was overbought, it has cooled down a bit. MACD, now MACD has retraced here. It is trying to converge. A crossover here means another round of bearishness which can take the prices further down. See the drop here, the retracement, and if it continues here on the downside, more bearishness may prevail in gold prices. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour. Now similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. One must note that, see, the prices is reversed from the top here and has hit the bottom of this channel. Thus it has to come out of this channel in order to confirm the reversal. Right now it is pretty much well within the zone here. Yes, prices a little divergent from the moving average. The moving average sitting at 1980, and that is why I say 1980-78 zone is going to play a critical role, and then 74-76 levels. A stochastic coming out of the overbought zone, looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. The MACD is in green, but it is not trading with divergence. It is not showing much signs of bullishness here. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now see, one must note on the 4-hour chart, first of all, here was the lower highs, then this breakout, and we have seen prices staying bullish here. But look at these candles and this candle. See, these two candles are very, very important. What has happened here? First of all, an indecision candle. Then the prices were outside Bollinger Bands and immediately got a pullback. Now, if you look at the body size is smaller here. Body size is, yes, it is bigger compared to the preceding candle, but if you look at the complete size, it is not even half of the complete move. Thus suggests that it can possibly reverse from here. Now see, after a series of greener candles where we can see a pullback, where we can see a push from the top side, it suggests that gold might try to break. There is a probability, nothing is confirmed, but the push from the top side suggests that it might pull the prices little down. Thus, below 85 and 83 zone, certainly more bearishness may prevail. I will look forward to 78-80 zone, and if 78 is breach, then more bearishness is going to prevail. One can look forward to, in fact, 72, then 68, and then further bearishness below those levels can be seen. Now, what has happened with the rise here? If you look at the rise here, then the retracement, then the rise, and now if it retraces from here, we can see the bears taking over the charge from here. Remember, every move has a meaning, and thus this drop also has a meaning here. This time, if it breaks, it can try to bring the prices further down. Be careful here. But right now, it is not showing any signs. It is just staying bullish, trying to yield another greener candle here. Because if you look at the preceding candle smaller body, then the further increasing body, and this candle can take it on the upside. Be watchful. Stochastic is overbought, trying to look down. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. See, it is almost crossed over, but still trading with almost flat or rather no divergence. RSI near to top, coming to the day. Now see, first of all, on the daily charts, if you connect the top from the preceding two candles, you will find the highs of today, and that is what has happened. It has precisely achieved the highs here and has shown a pullback. This is the beauty of charts here. Now second, if you look at the lows there, see, lows are accelerated, and after a couple of retracement, this was the first bullish candle, and today could be the second bullish candle which can be seen. But at the same time, there should be a slight swing. First, if it stays below 83, there should be little bearishness towards 78 zone. Very, very good support at 78. And if it breaks below 72 and then 68 zone, there is the chance that it can show you complete reversal. See, if it can show you the highs, it can show you the lows as well towards 1954-50 level. Anything is possible. These are markets. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is still in green. It is not showing any signs of convergence on the daily charts. It has shown extreme bullishness. Candle size is minimized, but it is not yet crossed over. RSI is overbought. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to resume on 20th of November. Register yourself now itself. Book your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, or you will find the details of the mentorship batch and many more in my platform www.forexfunda.com. And this platform is created with the vision to provide everything required to a trader under a single roof, whether be it the economic calendar where you get the PC prices, the market data which is going to get released immediately, it gets updated, and definitely it adds meaning to your trading decisions. The charts are also available. You can search your favorite charts. You can search your favorite instruments here, whether be it stocks, funds, bonds, economic indices, anything and everything is available, and you can create your own analysis at the same time. Now here under announcement is where you will find my mentorship batch details, where the curriculum is provided. You can register. Beneath there is a form you can fill and book and pay to reserve your seats. Many more such things are available, including the discussion forum where you can discussion. You can also initiate your own discussion topic here. And yes, if you want to get a guidance, you can book a consultation call with me by clicking the book a call option. So just visit www.forexfunda.com, register, and engage in the discussion from plethora of traders, and register for the mentorship batch. For gold, now I will only recommend you to buy here at 1992 levels. Beyond 1992, we can expect 1994. And if it breaks past 1994, because see, this is the highs which we have explored here. If it breaks past 1994, you can expect we may see 2000 and plus levels here. This time it may try to break past the critical resistance, the psychological level at 2000 here. So yes, beyond 1992 levels, we can initiate a buying position here. At the same time, on the downside, a possible selling entry at 1983, or rather in fact 85 can be taken, but 83 is something you should wait for. That is a safer entry. Below 83 we can expect 78, 80 is the first target, and if it breaks below 78, then possibly we are looking at 72 and 68. Below 68 we may see extreme bearishness. Remember, below 68 we may see extreme bearishness here, taking it till towards 1950 levels. Possibility exists that it can drop sharply, staying below 1968. Thus you have to trade your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude. Now this is a beauty for crude oil. What we have seen here for crude oil on the hourly charts, you can find out. See, this was the highs here, these were the lows, and that is why I had mentioned that only buying entry is above 85.5 and then 86. Yes, beyond 86 is the reversal confirmation. As long as these levels are respected, you can find out it is trading in this bearish channel here. lower highs are created and we can possibly see the lower low. So bottom of this channel is below 82. Now what has happened since then? It is traded bearish, and yes, it has breached the support now at 84 and 83.5 as well. So below 83.5, more bearishness, and then I will look forward to this zone. See, this is going to be a critical zone, what we have seen here, 83 84 zone, in which it is right now placed. So below 83.5 we can expect 83 82.8 levels, and if it breaks below 82.8, confirm that more bearishness is going to be seen here. Stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is looking down, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 2 hour. If you look at the 2-hour chart, see there is a pullback candle and then immediate reversal. Body size was less than half of the complete move, thus we can see a sharper bearish candle, and this is the follow-up candle, second red candle in succession here. So one red candle, second red candle might yield the third red candle, take it towards 83 or 82.8 zone. There is a probability that below 83.5 more bearishness might take it till towards 83 82.8 zone, which is going to remain a great support. But at the same time, lower highs, lower lows suggest that the maximum support level on the downside is at 81.5 levels here. Stochastic oversold, MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell, a retracement is done, a crossover may bring bearishness. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 3. Now on the 3-hour charts, after facing the wall here, it is almost giving you a symmetrical formation. So thus symmetrical formation means it can bring the prices. See also lower lows here. So lower lows here means it can try to pull the prices little down, or in fact it can erase all the gains from here. Thus below 83.5 levels is where slight bearishness must be seen. At the same time, yes, first red candle, so second red candle can be there, but my concern point is the flat opening of this candle, which suggests that at some point of time it can try to show you swing towards 84.4 84.5 levels, but only reversal confirmation is above 85, where you can see little bullishness towards 85.5, and then a complete reversal towards 86 can be expected. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge, crossover for sell. RSI is almost comfortable here. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see the preceding candle has showed a swing. Lows right now are beautifully aligned as of now. Thus this is the swing zone between 85.5 to 83.6, and this makes the median at 84.5. Thus a buying entry I will recommend only above 84.5, where one can expect 84.8 or 85 as the first resistance, and staying above 85 is where the bullishness will be confirmed. So as long as 84.5 is not breached, we should not treat this as bullish. Yes, we can initiate a buying entry at 84, but then this is going to get greater resistance 84.2 and 84.5 levels. So this is slightly riskier, but you can buy at 84. Stochastic looking down, MACD is again trying to converge, crossover. It is still in green, though it is after this sharp drop, it is just retraced a little, and now if it crosses over, more bearishness may prevail. RSI looking down. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily chart. So far we have seen it yielding lower highs. It has come to the levels from where the candles, preceding two candles, either have closed or have opened at 83.5 levels. Thus below this, yes, we can see slight bearishness towards 83 82.8, and if it stays below 82.8, more bearishness will be seen there. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is looking down. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 83.5 and buy at 84. For this $0.50, do not trade. On the upside, if you're buying at 84, be alert for 84.2 and 84.5. Only above 84.5 we can see or we can expect a reversal, else it is going to stay bearish. At the same time, on the downside, below 83.5, one can look forward to 83, 83.1, 83.2 levels, which is great support. And in fact, I will say 82.8, 83.8 2 as a greater support zone. This 40 cents are going to prove crucial. Below 82.8 is further bearishness, and then my favorite 82.4 and 82 levels will be seen. If it stays below 82, then the bears are going to take over. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is the second update for the day. Those who followed the first update must be in profit by now. And yes, if you want to get the live updates, you can join my free Telegram channel or press the bell icon to get the live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss that update as well. Thank you.